Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Zakia. Guys, so today I'm going to give you a room tour. Okay, so this is the room I am going to be staying here for the whole week that I'm going to be here in Nairobi. And once you go in, this is what you see. Oh, it's beautiful. Ni kuzuri jamani. It is beautiful. And the first thing on your right, the bathroom. Look at this big mirror. Wow. So you see the bathroom. The first thing you see is the bathroom, and they keep a towel here, a small one for your face and your head, and kuna visabuni hapa, shower caps, some lotion, and here there's a sink. You know how to use it. Sina haja kukwambia how to use it. Guys, this bathroom is big and beautiful, and I love everything, but here are some shampoo and shower gel. Guys, I love everything except for the tub. Mimi na mabathtub wapi na wapi jamani, Mtanzania mimi. So hicho ndo kibomba chako cha shower. I like it, it's cute, but your bathtub, it's not for me. I prefer the shower alone, nisimame tu nioge. And here is the curtain if you want to have privacy in case you sleep with someone else and you want to have privacy when you shower. You just use the curtain. And behind the door there's a paper there that inakuelekeza where to go in case of emergency, giving you the whole map of the whole building. So here there's a closet. It's huge, guys. It is huge. I can't wait to put my stuff there. And on the other side there's another door, and there's a safe here, a safe to keep your money. Uweke hapo hela zako, documenti zako like passport. If you have some very important document, you just keep them there. You create your own pin so no one is going to steal from you. And there's a shower cleaning thing, and that is the prices for laundry service. In case unataka kufuliwa nguo, that is how much they are going to charge you. Guys, kabati ni kubwa, very spacious. Wow, it's beautiful. And here, a small area where you can make your own tea. Hi again. Make your own tea and coffee. Wamekuwekea hapo vitu, kuna maziwa, kuna majani ya chai, sukari, kahawa, na jagi hiyo hapo ya kuchemshia maji. So you can do it whenever you want to have tea or coffee. You just make your own coffee. And here is a hand dryer, but I knew sitaweza kuitumia cause nimesuka nywele. And down there's a fridge, a small one. It is empty, but you can buy your stuff and keep them there and have them later. When you want to eat something, you just grab something and eat. And from there you got to see this table here where I put my bag. I'm going to move them to the closet baadaye, but for now they're staying there. And another mirror. And here there's a TV, there's a table, and kuna kiti kingine. Cute, beautiful. And this bed, you guys, the bed is cute and it looks comfortable. Nice, very beautiful. And some drawers, and there's a carpet. Chumba kizima, which is very good because it's too cold right now, so inasaidia kufanya chumba kinakuwa warm. And some paintings, beautiful paintings, and the view. The view is not nice, not very nice view, but that is the view God. What can you do? So this is the room, guys. And kwa kusimama huko dirishani, this is what you see. Nice, very nice room, beautiful room. Hiyo TV sijui hata kama nitaitumia, sijui kama nitaangalia, cause I'm sure hawatakuwa na channel zetu zile za kuangalia kina Asia na matukio yao. But anyways, tutaangalia tu kwenye simu. So, and this is the view of the room ukiwa umesimama upande wa mlangoni. So guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Vile subscribe if it's your first time, and leave a comment down below and share with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.